Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Compass for investor deal management in touring, beginner guide step by step clearly. To get started with activating Compass for investor deal management in touring, first, ensure you have the Compass app installed on your device. Open the Compass app and log in with your credentials. On the main dashboard, navigate to the settings icon located at the top right corner. In the settings menu, look for the investor management option. Toggle the switch to enable investor deal management features. Once enabled, return to the main dashboard and select the Deals tab. Here, you can view current and potential investment opportunities listed. To add a new deal, click on the Add Deal button. Fill in the required information for the new deal, including property details and financials. After entering the information, save the deal to finalize it. Next, navigate to the touring section within the app. Select the property you want to schedule a tour for. Click on the Schedule Tour option to set up a viewing. Choose a suitable date and time that works for you and your investors. Send out confirmations to the investors via the app's messaging feature. You now have Compass activated for investor deal management in touring. Make sure to explore additional features in the app for enhanced functionality. This process allows you to manage deals and facilitate tours efficiently using Compass. With these steps, you're all set to make the most of your investor interactions. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.